What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. It's Lizzy Akins here as always, and I'm back with your favorite part of my video, a day in my life. So today I started off the day with the gym. This is me doing some warm up and stretches. Like I said before in my videos, I'm following this free program on the gym app. So I use Pure Gym, and on the app they have program like workout programs that you can follow. And I'm following the one for the weight loss or full body weight loss. I've been following that for now the past 2 months. I'm not really just on don't count me on my words. I'm not really just about it, but I am following it, and like for me it's actually really good. It's actually been effective, and for someone who hasn't been in the gym for a while and then come back to the gym but not knowing exactly what to do, it's kind of a good thing to follow. And then after you kind of follow to day one, you can now incorporate your own thing into the workouts, add your own stuff to it. So for me, all of this part is the program, but I think everything after this, I really like. I don't even know what it's called, but when I see it, I'll tell you like, okay, this is not part of the program, and this is part of the program. And yeah, this is part of the program, and this is me doing some stretches before I actually start the workout. Yeah, this one is definitely part of the program. I tried my best not to get everywhere in the show, but you know how it is. This is like uh between 9 and 10 a.m. in the morning. Excuse me, the gym is meant to be free. Why is everybody at the gym? What happened to work? What happened to school? What happened to college? Like, yo, you lot, go to school, go to uni, go to college. Why are you at the gym? Why is my gym so busy in the mornings? I need to find out what time is quieter, but then I'm not even gonna lie. If I say I'm gonna go in the evening, no, that's a lie. That's a big lie. I'm not going to go. I'm going to eat, see my eyes down watching Netflix, and then the next day I realize, oh, I didn't go to gym the day before. But yeah, this is part of the workout. I'm surprised I was able to do this full out, because one thing is I am not very strong with my upper body. Like, I cannot lift my upper body weight. Now this, on the other hand, is not part of the workout. However, my fitness buddies, my gym heads in the comments in the videos and the subscribing section, am I doing this right? Just let me know, am I doing this right? Because I started doing this, and for some reason my shoulders are hurting. My shoulders are hurting. Like, I did this back to back 2-3 days, and my shoulders are killing. I did this for 2 minutes, and as you can see, I can't go straight. I can't do it straight for the 2 minutes. I have to always pause. That's why I was bending. I was pausing the time, because I can't do it straight on for 2 minutes, but I do it for 2 minutes anyways. Me, my shoulder was hurting. So guys, let me know. Is my posture okay? Am I swinging it right? The level, am I on the right level? Am I meant to go lower? Am I meant to be higher? Is my back meant to be straight? I don't know, help me. You lot need to help me, because yeah, like I said, my body was fighting me after this workout. I think after this workout, like, I don't think I'll be at the gym, but yeah. Okay guys, so the weather is actually, it's sunny but it's windy, but yeah, gym's done now. I feel like I need to talk more in my videos instead of the voiceover. Guys, let me know. Do you want me to talk in the videos, or do you want a voiceover? Which one do you prefer? Anyways, I have incorporated walking to my workouts. What is it? What is it again? I've forgotten. Chai. That's I remember. I've incorporated walking to my workout sessions of my fitness. I have incorporated walking to my fitness journey. So instead of driving to the gym, I walk to the gym and back home. That way I can get my steps in, because I'm trying to do 20,000 steps a day. I mean, I've done it before, but again, I did it when I didn't have a car. So I was doing more walking and bus running and all of that. But now that I got a car, anyways, I've done it before and I believe I could do it again. So yeah, the sun is this way. The skin is giving. Anyways, now I'm going home. Got a busy day ahead of me, tight schedule. So home, shower, get ready, booking, and yeah, I'll take you guys along. Whatever the case is the case. I'm looking crazy because I'm vlogging and everyone's like, yo, this vlogging thing on the road is not nice because everyone's like, but anyways, guys, see you home. Okay, my mic wasn't on, but now it's on. Yeah, so like I said, like I say, to get weather is not too bad. The grass is green on the other side, I'm joking. I don't know about the grass being green on the other side, but this grass is definitely looking green. The sun is out. Still a bit windy, like I said before, but yeah, just look at the grass. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. So I actually got on just before my predicted time, guys. Oh, now I need to go and get ready. Because, again, let's put this down, relax my hand. Jesus, clearly, it's maybe day now. Lizzy, she almost safe. Anywho, yeah, I need to go and get ready now. Jump in the shower, get ready, put my makeup box together because I've got a client today. And then, yeah, after the client, actually, put my makeup box together. Got one stop to be at. I got a fair to go to. That was super last minute, so the quick in and out. And then my lips are so dry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The fair, client, pick up little man from school, after school activity, and that'll be it for the day, to be honest. But yeah, keep watching, guys. Keep watching. Of course, like I always say, guys, everything is content. Everything is content. So whilst I was getting ready, I was on live on YouTube, my YouTube channel. So I was doing my makeup live on YouTube, and I was also filming the makeup process as well. For the full video, just yeah, stick to this channel. You see the full video. I put my makeup box in my bag or in my boots. Makeup box in my bag, in my boots. I try and go bearing gifts to my clients. So here's the gifts that I've put in there. But a foot pill, exfoliating foot pill, lashes, a bit of I think a face towel, and gel and fan. She's just had a baby, so the face towel can be useful for the baby, and obviously she can chill, do her own makeup with her lashes, and it's summer's coming up, so the fan makes sense. Yeah, so I'll show you guys. But yeah, so done. I've showed you guys the gift, and it's me driving off now. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, this is me driving off to my client's place. I actually did well, you know, like time management wise. I did well. It's only I think 1:15, so I actually left on time. So 1:15, my fare got cancelled, so straight on to my booking. So see you at the booking. So unfortunately, this particular client does not want to be on any form of social media. Doesn't want any picture, video, anything taken. She's super private, and I respect that. So sorry, guys, I wasn't able to show you the makeup process before and after, and all of the good stuff. So did my thing, did my job, got home. I was hungry, like I hadn't eaten for 100 days. I was hungry. I had dinner and I went to bed. Okay, that was literally the end of so the manga day. This is the end of so the manga. That was the end of my day. Okay, so guys, Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am must.
Yeah. Money more, dangerous. Let us do this again. Yes, we are back. Money more dangerous. They like the way I greet them. They say my flows are dangerous, but no one want them. I'm a very